We believe that true quality is forged through adversity, proven through rigorous trials and unforgiving conditions. Every product we create pushes the limits of durability. When you buy a WaterHog, you become part of that great experiment. We invite you to do your worst, because that's how we've been making WaterHog the best since 1986. It was 4 decades ago in Dalton, Georgia, when Rob Anderson discovered the process that created a molded mat unlike anything ever seen before. It featured 2 effective levels, backed by rubber, a top level that served to scrape, and a bottom layer designed to filter and capture debris and moisture, keeping it below foot level to minimize tracking. And just like that, the original bi-level mat was born. Since then, WaterHog has become a trusted staple at doorways, helping protect floors from relentless foot traffic, unforgiving weather conditions, and the havoc that everyday living can wreak in and around your entryways. No floor mat on the planet has been through as much testing and refinement as WaterHog. We scrape it, stretch it, soak it, and burn it to ensure that even if you do your worst, WaterHog can be trusted to handle it. It's the only mat designed to be disrespected. We understand that life gets messy, and your mat should help minimize that mess and hassle, not add to it. That's why you can count on your WaterHog to never shed, to resist fading and staining, and to help minimize the ick that makes its way into your home. WaterHog mats are proudly made in America, with materials sourced from the U.S. whenever possible. Respecting our employees and our communities means the world to us. We pay our employees a livable wage, provide comprehensive benefits, and a retirement plan that includes profit sharing. We'll continue to manufacture the world's toughest, most disrespected mats by respecting the people who work tirelessly every day to make them.